Welcome to Day 12 of our 100 Days Python Coding Challenge. In this session, we'll dive into a fun programming exercise where we create a right-angled triangle using Python. If you're a beginner or looking to enhance your coding skills, this is the perfect opportunity to learn and practice. Given two numbers, s and n, our goal is to write a Python program that prints a right-angled triangle of n rows using numbers starting from s. The output will showcase a visually appealing triangle pattern made with numbers, adding a space after each one. Input. The first line of input contains an integer representing the starting number, s. The second line of input contains an integer representing the number of rows, n. Output. The output will be n rows containing numbers starting from s, forming a right-angled triangle, as demonstrated in the sample output. Example. For instance, if the given numbers are s10 and n5, the program will print a right-angled triangle with rows displaying numbers starting from 10. Ready to unleash your Python prowess? Sharpen your logic and coding skills with this challenge. Don't miss out on daily coding challenges, programming tutorials, and valuable insights. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our 100 Days Python Coding Challenge journey. Hit the bell icon to receive notifications and be part of our growing community. Your participation, likes, shares, and subscriptions play a crucial role in shaping the success of our Coding Challenge series.